Need to light up your yard, your driveway, or your parking area, but don't have electricity ran to the building? We put this one up 4 years ago and it lasted that long, did a great job. Today we're going to be putting up this new Utilitech motion activated solar security light from Lowe's. I'm going to take the old one down, we're going to put the new one up, we're going to go through it step by step and talk about how it works. Let's get started. They all install differently. This light here has a little tab on the bottom that you have to push, and then the light slides up off of the mounting plate. Since we're mounting this on our metal garage, we're using self-tapping metal screws and just going right into the building. The old light, like the new light, comes with the solar panel and the light assembly separate. So you're going to want to install the solar panel where it gets the most sun, which is why they were on opposite sides. We'll go over that during the install. That's it. The old light's out. This one's very similar to the old one. Panel separate, plugs into the light assembly. Light assembly. Mounting plate. So this one's slightly different. The mounting plate mounts first, and then this slides on top of it like so into that little slot. So we're going to have to mount this first and then slide this on top of it. The only problem I'm going to have, since this wall isn't flat, I got to have room for this to slide onto it and slide down without hitting either one. So we can go to the very bottom of the old mounting plate. So you take your new light, slide it down until it clicks. And just like that, the new light's installed. All right, so we're going to be mounting the solar panel this direction so we can face it up. Sun rises in the east, sets in the west. This side of the building kind of always has it. I'm going to try to put it right back in the same screw holes here at the bottom. See if that'll work. Last thing to do, take the power wire, pull out just enough, keep it tight. The plug plugs into the power port on the bottom of the light, like so. And that's it, it's installed. So once you get it put up, as you see here, you have the light. This is the motion sensor. The higher it is, so right here we're about 11 feet in the air. You want it to angle down and point in the direction that you're looking for motion. So I know that my gate is over here behind me, so I want it to go towards that gate so that it'll come on when the gate moves or when someone walks through here. As well as the solar panel, you want it adjusted to get the maximum sun exposure. And you want the lights facing wherever you would like for them to be. Since we're so high, they got to face kind of down a lot instead of out like you would do in a, like if you put it up beside your door on your garage, maybe 8 foot tall, you could point them more straight out. But since we're so high, we're going to face them down just like the motion sensor. Test. That's another video brought to you by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.